Here's our next example. Pencil, paper, ready. Here you go. You can draw this. You don't have to draw it. The most important thing is the three dimensions, 2, 6, and 5 centimeters. So you can partner them up. That's one way that we learned. So let's partner them up. Let's make every combination. You have 2 times 6, 2 times 5, 6 times 5. Order doesn't matter, but as you can see, the 2 is partnered with both the 6 and the 5, and then, of course, the 6 and the 5 are partnered with each other. Now, remember, you can only really see 3 sides. The dotted lines on a picture of a 3D object, when it's a 2D picture, that's supposed to be like you're seeing through to the other side. So remember, each one of these is also doubled, okay, because they have a matching congruent side. So you have your 2 by 6 side, there's 2 of those. Your 5 by 2 or your 2 by 5 side, there's 2 of those, and your 6 by 5 side, there's 2 of those. So go ahead and double those. Now we got to find the product of each one of those. So that's 24, 20, and 60. Finally, you're going to get the grand total, the sum of every one of those areas. These areas, they represent the pairs of flat faces of this 3D object. This is a rectangular prism. Then we need to total them all up. So this represents the area of all 6 faces of the rectangular prism. And where are we getting 6 from? Well, there's 2 of them that are 2 by 6. There's 2 of them that are 2 by 5. And there's 2 of them that are 6 by 5. So remember, that's the one where you partner them up, you double the partnerships, you add all the sums together. Of course, there's also this, which it got cut off a little bit there, but I think that's okay. So your area formula is 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. It's the same thing that we just did, except we're using L for length, W for width, and H for height. So you'll notice that this step right here is basically what we just did, except we just got to substitute values in for the L, W, and the H. It kind of does matter which one you apply to the length, to the width, or to the height. Usually the length and the width are kind of like these two. They're more interchangeable. And then the one that goes up and down, that's usually the height, but it doesn't have to be. So anyway, you end up getting 24 plus 20 plus 60, which are those same numbers. This is the sum of 2 of the faces. This is sum of 2 of the faces, and this is sum of 2 of the faces. Altogether, it's 104 centimeters squared. So either way, you're going to get the same answer.